So now we're going to divide a fraction by a whole number. And if you remember going back to the notes for us in the very beginning, it doesn't matter whether it's fractions, whole numbers, or mixed numbers. It's all the same steps. We just have to convert the whole number or the mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay. So step one, I'm going to write the divisor as the improper fraction. So that would be, so 2 equals 1 half, or 2 ones. All right, and then I'm going to find the reciprocal of 2 over 1, which is 1 half. All right, then I just change my division symbol to multiplication, and then I just multiply. So 4/5 times 1 half. Cross cancel. I can't cross cancel on this one. I probably wouldn't. It's so easy. But if I did cross cancel the 4 and 2, I just divided both by 2 and get 2/5 times 1, which would eventually get me 2/5. All right, and then the last thing you need to do is simplify, and 2/5 is in simplest form. All right, go ahead and try this one on your own. Resume the video when you're ready to go over the answer. All right, so number one, I'm going to convert everything to an improper fraction. So 2/3 is already a fraction, so I don't need to convert that. Divided by 6 ones, 6 over 1s. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and find the reciprocal of my divisor, which is 6 over 1, and then I'm going to change the division symbol to a multiplication symbol. So 2/3 times 1/6. I just flip these around and I change that to that. All right, and now I could simplify. Once again, I'm just going to go ahead and multiply it and then simplify at the very end. So that's 2/18, and then the last thing I'm going to do, divide 2 is a common factor of 2/18, so 2/18 equals 1/9. All right, go ahead and do the on your own.